Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Subaru Outback's rear windshield wiper. First, gather your new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked with the ignition off. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. This provides clear access to the old blade, making the replacement process much easier and safer for you. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly, then slide the old blade straight off the wiper arm. It should detach with a gentle pull. Be careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back against the glass, as this could cause damage. Dispose of the old blade responsibly. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new wiper blade with the hook or connector on the arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Ensure it rests flat against the glass. Finally, let's perform a quick check. Gently tug on the new blade to ensure it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Then, use your vehicle's washer fluid to test the wiper's function. Watch for a clean, streak-free wipe across the glass. For optimal visibility, it's generally recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months or when you notice streaking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.